Okay, I thought I'd do a specific service video on this Shark hoover, which according to the manufacturer's claim never loses suction, but I think there's room for a bit of improvement with this one. It may have a blockage, I don't know, we'll find out as we dig into it. The model number is NV480UKP, and I haven't found a specific service video on this machine, so I'm going to show you where all the filters are, hopefully, and we're going to do our best to improve the suction. So I'm going to recline the hoover back. And there's an air intake filter here. There's a catch there. We can just rotate that and give that a wiggle, and it removes to show the air filter. Undo this clip here, and there we have one air filter. So I've now returned the hoover back into the upright position, and I'm going to release this button here to remove that, and we're going to remove this filter. And there is in fact a lower filter, so I'll just gently do it. This area here, I'm going to give this a wipe with a cloth. It's occurred to me if there's dust it may not be sealing right, and it also has a counterpart. The dust indicates where we've had a bit of suction loss. So I'm going to give it a good wipe and clean it in the hope that it will seal better. There is, if you press the catch there, you can see, dearie me, we have a bit of a blockage. It's one of these freshen your hoover up discs that's gone wrong, and that looks a terrible mess, so I think I'll remove the hair and give that a wash in the sink. As for all the other filters, I'm going to do a change from washing them out in the sink with washing up liquid. I wouldn't wash that one, that's the air filter. What I'm going to do is give them a blowout with compressed air. Okay, I've cleaned the filters. Looking quite good. I've one other issue which I'll talk to you about when I get to rebuilding this part. I actually did wash these out in the sink and they came up really well. They're bone dry now, as they should be, prior to refitting. We don't want any traces of water. I spent quite a bit of time cleaning the dust collection bin, and I checked the seals were aligned, and in this corner here the seal had came unstuck, so I used some adhesive which is suitable for both bonding rubber and plastic. That's what I used. I've had this a while, as you can tell, but I wanted an adhesive which were suitable for both. I will reassemble the collection bin. Do check these gaskets are in good condition, because if not it will affect the suction. That just leaves the air filter. Now I've had a look at this one and I did wonder if it could be removed, but I've settled for blowing this out with the airline. If you don't have any compressor in your garage with an airline, which not everybody does have, you can buy a can of compressed air and deal with this one. Or just give it a good tap out if you're not in possession of a can of compressed air. Got fiddler to fit single-handedly this. It should click. I'll give it a twist. And we should be ready to go. I'll let you know in the comments if we have any further problems. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.